Hi, everybody. I just wanted to come in and thank some of my super chatters because here I am. Didn't really get into it. I just been so busy, but over the past few months since I've been monetized, I've had some super chatters, and I just wanted to give you a special thanks. So I'm not like a crazy dancer or any of that stuff. I'm kind of straightforward. So if you kind of wonder why I'm not doing my little dances or my cheers and stuff like that. It's just that that's the way I am. I'm kind of laid back. Anyways, I thought we could get going with this as far as this. I guess I became monetized, I guess, towards the end of June. So, and I've been having some health issues, which is keeping me kind of off the internet for a while, or the paintings and things like that, because I'm having a hard time standing very long. So here I am sitting. I've been doing something every Tuesday with Diana, of Artfully Blind with Diana. I'm not exactly sure what we're going to be doing this week, but let me say thank you to the super chatters. And these are my super chatters for the month of July, actually, because it's part of the end of June and July. So my first one, Just Teresa. Thank you so much, Just Teresa, for your support. Everybody that is supporting me, I am so grateful and thankful. I have Artfully Blind with Diana. And what I do without my friend Diana, we actually met up in Altoona one day, and it was so much fun. We went to a museum there, and it was really kind of nice. We saw some great art that was actually done digitally, and then put onto canvas, large pieces of canvas. And the man that does this, he is a what it he works in a penitentiary, so he's a security guard there. And I guess he comes home, and after his wife and kids go to bed, he does this art on an iPad, and it was beautiful. So thank you, Artfully Blind with Diana, for being my friend and for your support. Tina Bibbs TV. She just became monetized, and we've been playing each other's playlists. And I would ask that you say prayers for her because she's going in for surgery, for gallbladder surgery. And I want to make sure that she is taken care of by God Himself and Jesus. And we're saying prayers for her for a speedy recovery because she has not been very well. Living Your Best Life. Oh, Marlene, she is such a sweetheart. And I've done some interviews with her, and actually, Artfully Blind also, I did an interview with her. But Living Your Best Life, Marlene, very sweet person from Florida. She has come through many trials and tribulations, as we all have, and she's just a really good person. Miss Kim Savvy Bling Emporium. What would I do without these beautiful pieces of jewelry? Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love that ring. And because I have gold on today, I'm just wearing my gold ones, but I have some beautiful rings that I got from her for only $5. You can't beat it. Her jewelry is $5. Now, some pieces are a little bit more, but you can see why. And thank you, Miss Kim, for your support and your super chat. I appreciate it. And then, of course, who would I be without all this? With Team Build with Geo. Geo, love you. You have made me monetized in a year. And how could I not thank you enough? And thank you for the super chat. She was here on my monetization party. You can look that up on my channel. She has done so much for so many people, and we have all become monetized. Tina Bibbs, myself, Artfully Blind, everybody that is in that team. We're all good friends and support one another, and it's just been wonderful. It's just been a wonderful experience, and I thank you. Thank you so much. I believe I've only got some of these because I'm pretty sure Beverly Black also gave me a support, and I recently did an interview with her, and she has been looking into her genealogy. She has wonderfully, I mean, uh, how she has overcome all that, and is such a good person, and um, is a good friend. Recently just had I believe it's a great grandson, and what an adorable little baby he is. Let me see. I know that I've got some other ones here, so hold on. Let me see. Let me get my YouTube because that might be the only one that I am missing. Um, oh no, that would be into my monetization side. Supers. Let's see. See. Oh, Shade. Of course, Shade. Um, I'm not sure why this didn't all print, but Shade, the benefit Princess of Beneficial Knowledge, continuously played my playlist night and day until I became monetized. Now, I don't even know who she is. I know she's a beautiful woman from the United Kingdom, and we just met through Be Amazing Sylvia, and she helped me out, and she gave me some support also from the United K. Uh, so I appreciate her for all that she's done for me, and I send you so many blessings as I do all my super chatters here. Um, let's see, Beverly Black, yes, and Living Your Best Life, twice she supported me as a super chatter. So I encourage you to continue to watch my channel, to join my channel for some special perks, and continue to have blessings. I give you all my that I can in blessings, and continue to support you all. And without you, I am no one. So I appreciate it. So thank you so much for all that caring and love that you supported me. I appreciate it. So hopefully I'm going to have a video up soon, but I wanted to do this so that you could see it. And I'm going to put this up right now. So thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye.